Hi, are you looking to make the best waffles? Then this is the channel for you. Hi, I'm Chef Edward, and I've been a professional chef for over a decade, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks I learned along the way. So today we're making waffles, and we have 3 cups of flour, we have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, we have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We have a half a teaspoon of baking soda. We have a third cup of sugar. We have 2 eggs that are already cracked. We have a little bit of butter just to go on top of our waffles. And we have 2.5 cups of buttermilk. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so now we are going to add our flour to a bowl, our salt, our baking soda, or baking powder, our baking soda. Okay, now we are going to whisk this together. Now we're going to take this bowl. We're going to take our sugar, our vanilla extract, and our eggs, and we are going to add it together first. Break the eggs, mix it in. Like so. We're going to add it to our flour mixture. We're going to mix this in, like so. Now we're going to add our milk, our buttermilk. So we're going to add half. We're going to mix. Just to get it a little bit incorporated so we don't have crazy lumps. Now we're going to add the rest of it. Okay, sometimes it gets stuck in between. You just shake it out of the whisk. And you don't want to whisk it too hard or too much. You just want to get it just fully incorporated though. Okay, so you want it to have it like so. And now we're ready to cook. Okay, so starting off our waffles. So you want to make sure our waffle maker is nice and hot. You want cooking spray. You want to make sure you spray it liberally so it doesn't stick. Next, we're going to take our waffle batter, add it to it. I like to spread it a little bit around so you got an even coating. Like so. I want to shut it. This one you have to turn it. And the light will turn green when it's ready. So it's pretty easy. So. And then while it's cooking, what I like to add is butter and syrup traditionally. Or you could be a little bit fancy and add some fresh blueberries, some fresh strawberries, some whipped cream. I have some homemade whipped cream right there to add on top. So it's up to you. So we're just going to wait until it's cooked and when it's ready. Okay, the light turned on, so it's saying it's ready to go. So I'm just going to take a fork, help pick it up, transfer it over. Now, what I like to do is cut it into corners like so. Now, for presentation, want to wow somebody? You just put it like so. Now, you could add your blueberries on top. And your strawberries. Sprinkle them around. Like so. And add some whipped topping. This, I made fresh whipped cream. So, the canal right there. Another canal right here. And there we have it. Now, these are good. I definitely got to try this one. A little bit of that. Oh, yeah. And if you would like more recipes like this, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn. Thank you.